I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper transmission fluid. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a jack stands, a drain pan, and a wrench set. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new transmission fluid, along with a fresh filter and gasket. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, before starting any work under your vehicle. Once your Mini Cooper is safely elevated on jack stands, locate the transmission drain plug. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch the old fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the used transmission fluid to flow out completely. This process might take some time, so be patient and ensure all the old fluid has drained before proceeding to the next step. After the old fluid has drained, it's time to install your new transmission filter and gasket. Ensure they are seated correctly. Then, replace the drain plug using a new washer and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, locate the transmission fill port and carefully add the recommended amount of new transmission fluid. Use a funnel to prevent spills and ensure a clean pour. With the new fluid in, start your Mini Cooper's engine and let it run for a few minutes. Shift through all the gears, pausing briefly in each, to help circulate the new fluid throughout the transmission system. Finally, recheck the fluid level according to your vehicle's manual and add more if needed to reach the correct mark. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This ensures your Mini is ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.